How to draw helix command in the Solidworks. To draw helix command, we require a circle in a single plane. Now sketch on this plane a single circle, just a circle, no other sketch for helix command. Just draw a circle of any diameter, then exit the sketcher. If you want to give diameter to the circle, you can give any diameter to the circle. Just here, for example, I give 100. Okay, 100 diameter circle. Now exit the sketcher, select that circle sketch and go to features, here features, and in here curves. At the end there is helix and spiral. Here are 4 options, select the first option. Here are 2 options, select constant pitch. Now pitch means distance between 2 turns, consecutive turns. Here consider 100 mm. Now revolution, how many turns you want on the helix? Consider here 20. Start angle means the start point of helix, from where should start. This is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 180 degree, this is 270 degree. Now here is 0 degree. If you give here 180 degree, then the start point will shift there. You can see here. Okay, clockwise, counterclockwise, it means direction of the turns. If you want clockwise helix, just click clockwise. If you want counterclockwise, click counterclockwise. Now green mark tick, your helix is created. Just go here and see here, isometric view. This is how helix is created.